Okay, now, to make sure that your oil is hot before you put your sugar in, because you don't put the sugar in before the oil is hot enough. Okay, so what you do is you just get your little water on the tip of your finger and then dump it once. Okay, and then bubble up. So that means it's not hot enough. So you got to, let it see that. Drop the water in a little. Okay, yes, you hear it? You hear it? Yeah, okay, here we go. So now, get our sugar. Just like how you did the oil, you have to coat the bottom of your pot with your sugar. You don't want big lumps and clumps, you just want to coat the bottom. So, Chile for president. Okay?
Okay.
So when that starts heating up, it's going to get nice and brown. And then once it gets nice and brown and almost like caramelized, that's when you drop the chicken in and it's like, oh man. I wish you could smell the aroma and all the flavors and all the seasoning that's there. You can't smell it though. But when you do, you'll see. Okay. Cut from there. You on YouTube.
I could be the robot.
Do the one on. Do the one on. That's how I get it. As you can see how the sugar is browning, and what you do is you just stir it. Not a lot, just a little bit. See that browning in there?
How many times I've heard that thing?
All you're doing is just moving it around.
He tried crazy.
Exactly.
Hold on the brown.
Yeah, you did that sideways.
Who is that? You got to the mic?
No, I ain't feeling nobody. I'm done. What Howard said?
He said he's going to try to make it.
What he said?
He got to do some stuff at home and with his baby. Okay, now, as you can see how it's...
He can play, but I can't play.
I asked you to come play. You said, no, I don't want to.
I said, I'm playing. You was like,
well, you didn't want to play.
Yeah, right. I'm playing. Let's go. You got to play that, bro? Yeah.
It's going to start foaming here in a minute.
Nobody hear me.
Man, do it after 5 out there. Don't worry.
I'm going to be mad.
Ain't nobody going to hit you. Ain't nobody going to hit you. Especially when I can see they're afraid of us. Kill them.
When y'all playing?
Okay, as you can see how it's foaming, as you can see how it's foaming, and it's getting almost caramelized, and then here we're gonna put the chicken in to get some aroma. Okay, here we go. Just get our chicken in.
I'll be on TV because they're gonna be like, who's that guy doing the robot?
So the aroma?
Yeah. You put it on camera?
No, you can't throw it on the camera, but scrape out all the seasoning you have. But the thing is, you don't wash the bowl. You put it over there, you take a little water, put it in the seasoning, and you use that for gravy later. Alright?
The one said it's too hot.
Why do you know that?
Alright. Alright, Ted, wait. Look at that. Pass me that bowl.
My muscles are soft.
No, wait, I know you got muscles and you go like this.
And let your bowl down.
Outrage. Why do you hate you? Oh,
Ready?
Which one, Lamar?
Yeah, I'm going to shoot it.